Somewhere between the photo on the shelter's website and the drive home, you make a decision you will live with for 10 years or more. Usually, you make it in a corridor in about 20 minutes with a dog looking at you. This is a workbook that scores that decision instead. Every free breed quiz scores a breed, but many shelter animals are of unknown or mixed ancestry, so a breed page is often a guess about a guess. This scores the individual. You mark a candidate as an animal you can go and meet. You log a visit, and 8 of your 9 observations feed its ratings instead of the breed table. The mutt nobody can name gets scored on what you actually watched it do. Most scoring tools either fix the weights or make you invent them. Neither helps, because nobody knows cold whether hours alone should be worth 12 points or 20. So you answer 26 questions once about your home, your weekday, your kids, your allergies, your ceiling, and the workbook computes a starting weight for all 12 criteria. Every one of them is still yours to overrule. On the Fit Scorecard, each criterion has 2 cells. A computed rating, the workbook worked out from the animal's traits against your profile, and an empty one beside it for when you disagree. Overruling it is expected. You met the animal, and the table did not. 21 cost lines, computed from the animal's size and coat, turned into 4 numbers most people never see until they are already committed. What the first month costs, what a year costs, what the first year costs, and what the animal costs across its whole expected life. Then affordability becomes a scored criterion with real weight in the ranking, not a footnote you read afterwards. The time and reality check adds up the hours a week each animal needs, from its energy, its coat, and its size, and holds that against the hours you said you have. If you are short, it says so in plain words, and it tells you what to do about it. A weight cap in your lease, a severe allergy against a heavy shedder, a run rate past your ceiling. Free selectors treat these as filters and hand you an empty list. This one names the constraint, tells you what to check, and still ranks every candidate because a constraint is often less fixed than it looks. Then it argues with itself. The sensitivity check reruns the whole ranking 6 ways, turning your heaviest criterion down and up and doubling affordability. If your winner holds through all 6, you have a real answer. If it changes hands, you have a near tie, and the workbook names who takes the lead. 12 connected tabs in Excel, Google Sheets, or LibreOffice, pre-filled so it computes something real the moment you open it. A 72-row reference covering 46 dog breeds, 16 cat breeds, and 10 mixed breed types. And 3 guides, including a shelter visit kit built to be printed and carried. You buy it once and you keep it. No seat, no renewal, no account that stops working. Run it again for the next animal or hand it to a friend who is about to adopt. It's from Ardent Workshop, and there is a free 2-candidate starter if you want to try the method first.